This message is transmitted at the request for the National Weather Service, and the U.S. government has both issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 9 midnight 11/23/2018 est. The dark red texts that have been coming out of dark red things have been creating storms. This storm is making loud noises, as it can be heard from thousands of miles. At the core of the storm, it can be as loud as the core of the Krakatoa volcano's decibels, as it can be as loud as 315 decibels. Wait a minute, what is that thing?
I should have known something. I did like this event, and I should have saw something coming. It was a dark red text in my room. It just looked at me silently. Then it just disappeared. If you see this dark red text and not into place, evacuate from your home. But it is possible. Be patient before it disappears before going back in your home. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The white text and the orange text hit the Earth, causing a global disaster. As a huge explosion happens, there are two huge options that may happen. A. They are trying to stop the dark red text from destroying everything in its path. Or B. They are not going to stop the dark red text from duplicating and destroying everything in its path, and do it with them. If you are near the huge explosion and you are in shelter, be safe. Take shelter.
We are in huge constraint as huge destruction has been followed. This emergency alert has of all kinds of all destruction. Huge things are being destroyed, such as towns, trees, houses, buildings, cities, major cities, stores, fairs, schools, airports, and all other things that are in cities. This news broadcast will not go on for long, so good luck on editing.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the United States government. Chicago has been destroyed with a very large storm that happened 2 days ago. There was a program called Canary that tried to stop the storm, but failed. The program also figured out what the texts were doing on the recent alert Washington, D.C. given about the two options. The option was A. They tried to investigate the storm, but it had an entrance to a factory, creating the storm.
Hey, this is the emergency true alert. So, this is a true alert from the Kenny Ricks. I don't know what to call it. The Ken Ricks, emergency broadcasting system. So there have been many reports of dark red things coming out of dark red texts. Dark red texts coming out of dark red things. But although we have many reports of so many dark red texts coming out of the sky, because the dark red storm has spread so much dark red texts to cause global destruction and world domination. We have no news for that as of right now, but we'll figure it out pretty soon. So I have no other clarification to clarify if this is real or not. So I think this may be the right time to say that this is causing world domination really, really fast. And I mean extremely fast. Like very, 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 very fast. We don't know how fast this is going. Right now, my voice sounds like the emergency alerts that caused our that sounded like the sensor beeps you heard from the previous alerts you've gotten, and they sent in secret messages. One said run because you had to go off running immediately. So we only have 46 seconds before this broadcast officially ends. So, there will be one more alert in the scenario afterwards. So, let's just not talk about this right now. There, is actually no spoilers whatsoever. So, we're good. But there's another, emergency service that'll keep you safe. It's called Doom's Protect, I guess. That could also keep you safe from any kinds of destruction. Alright. Good night.
This is Doom's Protect News. So, there is, I don't know what the first one's name is called. Here, hang on, let me check. Ricks. I thought this would be a great idea to finally announce that everything has been taken care of, and the spreading of all of these dark red texts from the sky have been exploding and causing immediate, very huge destruction. We have very humongous shelter base that could possibly fit about another 5 billion people in. So this is an announcement now that this is not a test. Take shelter now.